What?
This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. All citizens should at this time pay close attention to this message. At 8:20 a.m. today, scientists all around the world observed several asteroids and some small planets and dwarfs, including Pluto in our galaxy, being sucked out of orbit at speeds around 300 trillion miles per hour. At this time, all citizens should
What?
stay very close to televisions and radios. Stay indoors and underground if possible. This could potentially be dangerous. Stay tuned for further updates.